Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot AI tools, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install HubSpot AI tools, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the marketplace icon in the main navigation bar. Click on the marketplace icon to open the HubSpot app marketplace. In the search bar, type AI tools or the specific tool you wish to install. Browse through the search results to find the appropriate AI tool. Click on the tool to view its details and features. Review the information to ensure it meets your needs. Click the Install button to proceed with the installation. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts as you go. You may need to grant permissions for the tool to function properly. Once permissions are granted, the installation process will begin. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, navigate back to your dashboard. Find the newly installed AI tool in your Tools section. Click on it to configure its settings. Follow the setup instructions specific to the AI tool. You are now ready to start using the HubSpot AI tool. Explore its features and integrate it into your workflows. Monitor its performance to maximize your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.